Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about data types in JavaScript. So we have 8 different data types in JavaScript. Here you can see I have created data types.js and in index.html I have actually imported. Source it, okay, data types.js. So you have to do this. And now I want to run it in console. So here you can see now I'm in console. So here you can see I have comment out it. So this is the way actually you can comment out /, okay. 8 different data types in JavaScript. So we have a string. First of all, we have a string, okay. We have a string. Then we have number. Then we have BigInt. We have Boolean. We have undefined. We have object. First of all, string. So we can actually let's say name, and I can say here like this. Let's say web tech knowledge, and let's say I want to print it, so I will say console dot log name. I say like this. Here you can see web tech knowledge, right? Then we have number. We know any kind of number. Let's say number. So we can actually give here decimal value also. We can give here integer value also, doesn't matter. So here if I say number, here you can see 3. If I say 3.20, you can see 3.2. All right. And then we have Boolean, right? So I can say here yes is equal to true. All right. And I can say let no is equal to false. So if I say yes, it will show me true. If I say no, it will show me false. Now let's go for the objects. I will say const, let's say full name. I want to know the full name, let's say. So I will say here curly braces opening and closing, and here I want to say, let's say first name. I can say here, let's say Yamin, and comma second name, let's say Yamin, okay. Yamin. I can say it like this, sorry. All right, so now I want to show it, so I will say full name. Here you can see first name Yamin, second name Yamin, right? So I can create object like this, and I can actually create array object also. So like this, const, let's say full underscore name equal to like array. I can say here first name, let's say Yamin, or I can say here, let's say Tanvir, and the second name, let's say Ahmed. If I say here full name, here you can see Tanvir Ahmed. So you can actually create object like this. Because of JavaScript has dynamic types, you don't need to declare the variable type at first. You can actually change the value to any type. Let's say here my number is integer, right? Number, okay. Here you can see let's say I want to set here value. So the value is 3.20, right? So I can actually change the value to a string. So the value is now number, right? Here number, type is number. But here I can change the value to a string. I will say 3.20. And if I want to print the value, here you can see 3.20, right? 3.20. All right. So we can actually declare it first, and then we can change a value anytime. So these are actually type, okay. So you don't have to declare the type at first. You can actually change the value also, right? Here you can see I have changed the value. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.